everyone. My name is Kyla Argusmani, and my project proposal is all about brightening the future, a solar energy initiative for sustainable city. Brightening the Future, a solar energy initiative for sustainable city is a transformative project aimed at harnessing the power of solar energy to reduce energy costs, promote sustainability, and meet the national renewable energy mandates for the city of San Fernando, La Union. This initiative will involve the installation of solar panels across the K-City buildings and governmental run business establishments to help to reduce the city's reliance on traditional energy costs, lower operational expenses, and significantly reduce its carbon footprint. This project will ensure that the city meets the regulatory requirements while making significantly strides toward a more efficient future. This initiative will focus on high energy and demand facilities such as government offices, libraries, recreational areas, and other commercial buildings. The adoption of solar energy will result in long-term costs, reduce greenhouse gas emissions, and improve energy security by decreasing the city's dependence on the external power sources. In addition, the project will serve as a model for other municipalities. And by implementing solar power across the public and business sectors, brightening the future will not only help the city comply with government mandates but also position San Fernando as a leader in the sustainable urban development, contributing to a greener and its residents and businesses. I came up with this project proposal because, based on my observation, living here in the city of San Fernando, mas lumala po ang power interruption dito sa San Fernando. Dahil dati naman po ay hindi naman po ganoon kadalas na nagkakaroon ng power interruption here in city of San Fernando. And last month, we experienced a 5 to 7 na power interruption dito sa San Fernando. And it lasts 8 to 12 hours bago magkaroon. And nakakaaba na rin po sa araw-araw na pamumuhay ng mga residents and also the businesses of city of San Fernando. Data shows since 2021, the city has been experiencing frequent and prolonged power interruptions continuing through 2025. These blackouts have become a major issue, primarily caused by the high electricity demand from the large establishments like Robinsons Mall, Mana Mall, CSI, and other commercial buildings. These businesses consume a large amount of power, which puts a significant strain on the city's already updated and overloaded power grid. The grid is not designed to handle such high demand, resulting in regular and unpredictable power outages that last for hours. Additionally, the increased electricity consumption has also led to significantly higher electricity bills for both businesses and residents, further adding to their financial burden. Large commercial buildings, which rely on a steady supply of electricity to operate smoothly, face lost sales. Residents are also heavily impacted by these frequent power outages. Daily life has become difficult as households face disruptions in their regular activities. To address the frequent power interruptions in the city of San Fernando, a sustainable solution is needed to meet the growing demand for electricity while ensuring a stable and reliable power supply. A solar energy initiative can be the key to solving the problem. First, installation of solar power system for the businesses and public buildings. This is the city required to the large establishment like Robinsons Mall, Mana Mall, CSI, and other commercial buildings can be equipped with solar panels to generate their own electricity. This would reduce their dependency on the city's overloaded grid and ensure that they have steady power supply. Solar energy is a reliable and renewable source of power, especially during peak demand times and the grid is most stressed. Second, a community solar project can be set up in residential areas where a large number of homes can share their power generated by central solar systems. This would not only help to reduce power interruptions but also lower electricity for residents. The solar energy generated can be used to supplement the grid during the high demand periods, easing the strain on the existing infrastructure. Third, grid integration and energy storage solutions. To improve the stability and reliability of the power supply, the city can integrate a solar energy into existing grid by installing energy storage systems such as batteries. Excess solar power generated during the day can be stored and used during periods of high demand or when there is a low sunlight. This will help to provide a continuous stable electricity supply, especially during shortages or outages. And the project will involve the project workflow. First, we have here the planning, community engagement, permits and funding, system design, procurement, installation, testing and launch, operation and maintenance, and lastly, the monitoring and expansion.